Guys, they won't get out of the way. Go on, move, bird. Good morning to everybody, and the funny thing, I'm already fighting, I almost called them pelicans, but cranes this morning. I had to pull my phone out, guys, because they ran like a good 1,000 feet on the road, following the road instead of running off the road from me. They were just jogging in front of me. It was pretty funny. So I'm off to the county today to go get some approvals done for the building, submit everything, and throw some things in the post office. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get some work done. Shut up, truck. Gonna get some work done on the Project Hurricane today. We're gonna, at the very minimum, install a drive shaft and long tubes. It's gonna be a long, hot, sucky day with that, because it's gonna be very, very hot today. It's already 96 degrees this morning, it says. So, ironically, it probably won't get much hotter today, but it's gonna stay that hot all day. I might bring my fan from outside, or from inside outside, and just sit there blowing like under the car while I'm working to try and get some air. But I need like a big shop fan or something. Maybe we'll get one more in town. But good morning. All right, so we got all that done. Headed back to the mansion. I'm gonna call the contractor, tell him we should be a go tomorrow so he can check. And it's time to get working on Project Hurricane. Oh, those are massive speed bumps. I always forget. Massive speed bumps. So don't forget, guys, we got the Race Star sale going on right now, so get in on that. Hopefully you guys already have. Might have to post this video a little earlier, but if you didn't get in on the Race Star sale by the time I post this, because it might be over, because it's gonna be over at the end of July, just get with us for Race Stars. We always have great prices on them, and we can hook you guys up. Race Stars are the wheels that I run on basically all of my drag cars. The 95 has them, the 79 has them, and Project Hurricane also has them on. So they're just a good solid wheel and a good choice. So highly recommend. All right, guys, so we're out here sweating in the shop. Got the car up on the lift and the mufflers. All you need is a 14mm wrench, guys, a socket, and they come off. They're pretty heavy, so I bet that's at least 50 pounds losing those suckers. So we're gonna see what it sounds like now. All right, so this will be like my reaction to a cold start. That would definitely be droney. I don't think I would roll with it like that. It's pretty deep though. Woohoo! It's pretty legit. So if you guys have learned anything so far, it's that I like it loud. Right? I like loud cars, I like loud trucks, I like things that make loud noises and go fast. So shouldn't be any surprise that now with the mid pipes off, I like it even more. And over axle pipes off, so literally we just have the cat now. And the H pipe, stock XH, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna crank it up again and let you guys have a listen. Right? That's rowdy. I don't know if the phone will pick it up or not, but it's pretty good in person. It's pretty good. So it's pretty hot out here. I'm gonna go inside for a bit, cool off, get some more water, because I'm sweaty. It's really hot. So I also heated the pipes up by doing that and revving it, so I don't really want to pull the headers off at the moment because they're going to be really hot. So we'll let them cool off for a while, probably a couple hours, honestly, and then we'll come back and see if we can get those headers off and our BBKs on. So for whatever reason, I decided I should still go tonight. So I jacked the car the rest of the way up, and I pulled off, I can't remember where my last video was. I pulled off the mid tubes, and I pulled off the back exhaust. It sounded cool. Yeah, we did a video about that already. Cool. So, I just got the actually X-pipe combo thing off. I'll let you guys see that. And now I'm actually working on starting to get the stock exhaust manifolds off. It's hot, and I'm trying to keep the mosquitoes out. So I got some, what are those, citronella? They're not candles, but they're basically torches burning, trying to keep some bugs away. So hopefully they don't, but bite me anymore. I'm getting sick of it, but there you go. There's that piece of exhaust. Got the O2s cleanly undone, so time to actually get under it so we can install those bad boys. So far, it hasn't really been that hard. I mean, I'm literally doing it with jack stands and 2 jacks, so anyone can actually do this. Currently, I've only really used like a 15 and a 14 millimeter socket for most of the stuff. So now I'm back to an 8 to get some stuff off down here. First things first, I'm gonna take off the heat shield, and then it's got a couple bolts, and then I'm gonna start taking off the other bolts. And you can see that that's all there is. There's plenty of room. Everything's moved. This is the last part that has to come off. And then we can start installing it, at least on this side. So guys, we're just doing the live, and this is why I always shut stuff. Because look at this. We have wildlife. He's ready for his close-up. Come on, like, move or something. I just came. Oh, geez, did you see that? Ah, he's gonna jump on me. Ah. You guys, he just all hopping wherever he wants. Hop outside. Or outside. There we go. Man, he could really jump. There you go. Go on outside. That's a wall. There you go. Back out in the grass. Maybe the torchlight blinded him. I don't know what's up with that. So I just finished doing a little, like an 8-minute live stream. That was kind of fun. I'm gonna start doing more of those. Maybe at the track. Maybe just around here as we do fun and funny stuff that I don't necessarily think we're gonna make a video of. We'll just like throw a live stream up every now and then. That'd be interesting. A lot of people always say they want to watch us work more. So I'm looking for my 12 millimeter because I can't find it. So yeah, I'm gonna find that, and then we're gonna keep pulling this apart. Well, people said it was terrible to get off. I think it was that bad. Kind of an awkward reach in a couple times, but it's off. Here we go. Gasket. Cast manifold. So I think I'm gonna try and put this side in before I even mess with the other sides. Maybe I'll have half of one on. So yeah, I'm gonna try that now. I'm feeling like I should have scooted the car up another couple feet so I could have stopped halfway through, but now I'm this far into it, I just have to do it. So reason I'm saying that at the moment, guys, is because I can't shut my garage door because the car is too far backwards. Once I raised it up, it scooted back like 2 inches, and now it's too close to the garage door. It'll hit, so that sucks. Now, I don't want to jinx myself, but that was the easiest time I've ever had putting on my header. The car, and I'm on jack stand, and I slid it directly up and in. So, I mean, and it's basically right there. I gotta adjust it, obviously, and then throw in a bolt, but it's right there. This is gonna be so easy. So I was not wrong. Literally grabbed it, was able to slide 2 in, so now it's hooked up. I just gotta put the other 4 in and then tighten them all down. The other side's really hard. I think I'm gonna take off the intake on that side to make myself more room, maybe even the battery. But it's all just kind of about going slow, I think. having a lot of room, jacking it up, but it wasn't hard at all. So halfway almost done. All right, guys, so I got this side on. The bottom bolts are even finger tight all the way down, as close tight as I can get them. So now I got to try and get a wrench on there somehow. But I'll let you guys look in there. Seriously, again, not that hard. I'm on my back on a roller. I'm not even on a lift. These would be cake on a lift. I'd already be done by now with air tools and everything else hooked up. But as of right now, I'm not doing that. So I'll show you right here. I'll show you guys. They're up in there. It's really not that bad. You can reach from a couple different areas to get up in there. And they look pretty good. But they're gonna sound awesome. Chrome BBK. BBK chrome long tube headers for the 3.7 V6. They look pretty good in there, don't they? I got the driver's side done. Whether it's the hard or the easy side, I don't know. However, I'm tired. It's like 11:30. I'm dirty. Let me see, I was picking my nose. So, I'm dirty, I'm tired. It really wasn't that bad. It just takes a while to do. So, I'm taking my time doing it, make sure I'm doing it right, make sure I get it on tight and everything like that. So, I think I'm gonna crash and we'll pick up in the morning. 'Cause I got more to take off on this side. And then I still won't be done because not only do I want to remove the exhaust over here, but I also want to change the drive shaft and install a drive shaft loop, safety loop. So if I'm going to do all that, I'm going to take more time because the car's still going to be in the air to do the drive shaft safety loop and the drive shaft. So I'm definitely not going to stay up till like 3 or 4 in the morning. I mean, I could go grab Red Bull and do it, but I think I'd rather get some like 6 hours of sleep. You know, I'll wake up at like 7 tomorrow and we'll call it good. And I'll remove my intake, and actually I'll need to remove the intake. I probably won't now that I'm looking at it. I'll remove the catch can for sure to gain my arms some access, but I think that'd probably be it. It's got quite a bit of room from the bottom, so we might be doing it from the bottom. We'll see.